had me as soon as you uncovered the foil.
Look at the fajitas, brother. Look at that fajitas, brother. Look.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, this looks sensational.
And also, I had some chicken as well. Look, we sold out almost the chicken. Look.
Oh my goodness.
Look, I'll give you some sample.
Yeah.
I got pork, beef, and chicken, brother. Look. Wow. That was fabulous.
Well, I'm about to partake. For real. He gave me spicy barbecue sauce. Yeah.